What's the meaning of boombox? Boombox. Boombox.
Boombox. Boombox. A boombox is a large portable radio cassette player typically used during the 1980s and 1990s. It is characterized by its powerful built-in speakers and the ability to play music at high volumes. Boomboxes were a popular fashion item during this time and often seen as a symbol of urban youth culture. They were commonly used for outdoor gatherings and parties, such as block parties and beach outings. The term boombox is derived from the booming sound that the speakers produced and is still occasionally used today to refer to portable wireless speakers or Bluetooth speakers that reproduce similarly loud and bass-heavy sound.